Do you have adjustable mid clamp and end clamp?
Yes, our MGA-MCC and MGA-ECC are the adjustable mid-clamp and end clamp.
Can you supply 60mm or 50mm length mid bracket?
Yes, we can produce mid-bracket according to your requirements.
Can I just buy the mid bracket? I'm not sure if the nut will work on my rail.
Yes, you can only buy the mid-bracket.
Will it work with my existing solar panels?
You can share the thickness dimension of your solar panel with us. Then we can confirm.
What is the range of your mid clamp and end clamp?
Our clamps are suitable for 25到55毫米 solar panel. We can attach our catalog for your reference.
I'm not certain about the specification for the solar panel. I have panels of different sizes. How do I choose?
If you are uncertain, I would recommend our adjustable mid-clamp and adjustable end clamp.
Do you have some clamps convert with thin film solar panel?
Yes, we do have. Our clamps are suitable for 5到9毫米 thickness